So we're looking at little blades of grass, and we're trying to find stomatas.
Okay, so a stomata is like this hole that opens and closes, and it releases water from the plant.
Have you been able to find any stomata?
Yeah, we have.
Explain how you found them.
We found them because Miss Welker helped us, and it was really hard to find them, but in the end we found them. So, yeah.
The water goes up through the plant and out through, and it goes into the leaves, and it goes out the stoma, which is like the little thingy that opens and let water out.
Okay, so in science today we were messing around with the celery. We got dye and water. We dyed the water so we could see the straw-like things in the celery, and after that we were able to see where the xylem was, and that's what all these red lines are.
That was our science experiment by Among Us.